Have you ever opened your Reminders app only to find dozens or maybe even hundreds of reminders scattered across different lists? You have a grocery list, a work list, a personal list, maybe one for travel and another one for home projects. At first, organizing everything into separate lists feels like a great idea. But after a while, finding the tasks that actually matter today becomes surprisingly difficult. That's exactly where smart lists come in. Personally, I think smart lists are one of the most underrated features Apple has added to the Reminders app. Most people never discover them, and even if they do, they don't realize just how powerful they can be. Once I started using smart lists, I stopped jumping between multiple reminder lists every day. Instead, I let my iPhone automatically gather the reminders I actually need to see. In this video, I will show you exactly how smart lists work, how to create them, and a few ways I personally use them to stay organized. Before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can stay updated to our latest videos. So what are smart lists? Think of a smart list as a filter. Instead of creating another list and manually moving reminders into it, a smart list automatically collects reminders that match rules you choose. For example, you can create a smart list that shows every reminder due today, every reminder with a specific tag, every high priority task, every reminder assigned to a particular person, or even a combination of all of these. The reminders themselves stay in the original lists. The smart list simply creates another view that updates automatically. I like to think of it as creating a custom dashboard for my reminders. Here's how to make one. Open the Reminders app, tap Add List button in the top right corner. Under List Type, select Smart List. Now you will be asked to give your smart list a name. Choose an icon and color if you like. Below the list type, you will see all the available filters. This is where the magic happens. Apple lets you filter reminders using several different conditions. These include tags, date, time, location, flag, priority, and lists. You can use just one filter or combine several together. For example, show reminders that are due today, high priority, or tagged as work. Only reminders matching all those conditions will appear. Over the years, I have experimented with a lot of productivity apps, but I keep coming back to Apple's Reminders app because smart lists make it surprisingly capable without becoming complicated. Here are a few smart lists that I actually use. Today's focus. This one only shows reminders due today that haven't been completed. Instead of looking through 5 different reminders lists every morning, I simply open this smart list. Everything I need to finish today is already waiting here. It saves me from the moment of wondering what was I supposed to be working on again. I also have another smart list that only displays high priority reminders. Whenever I have a busy week with a lot of deadlines, this becomes my default view. I have noticed something interesting over time. If everything is marked important, then nothing really feels important. So I try to reserve high priority only for tasks that genuinely need my attention. That keeps the smart list short and actually useful. Since I spend a lot of time creating videos and articles, I use tags like video, article, thumbnail, and review. Then I have a smart list that gathers everything tagged under video. It doesn't matter whether the reminder originally lives in my YouTube list, my ideas list, or my review samples list. They are all shown together automatically. This has honestly saved me more time than I expected because I no longer have to remember where I originally saved an idea. Another smart list I use is for errands. It only shows reminders with a location attached. So whenever I'm already out shopping or driving around town, I can quickly check everything I could finish while I'm nearby. It's one of those little quality of life improvements that sounds small until you actually start using it. Tags make smart lists even better. If you're planning to use smart lists regularly, I highly recommend getting into the habit of using tags. Tags give you another layer of organization that works across every reminder list. For example, you can use hashtags like home, office, shopping, calls, travel. Once you have tagged your reminders, building smart lists become incredibly easy. Personally, I ignored tags for months because they seemed unnecessary. Then one day I decided to organize everything using tags and suddenly smart lists become 10 times more useful. It's one of those features you don't appreciate until you have actually tried it. So can you edit smart lists? Absolutely. If your workflow changes, you don't need to create another smart list from scratch. Simply open the smart list, tap the three-dot menu, choose Show List Info. From there, you can rename it, change its icon, or completely modify the filters. I tweak mine fairly often depending on what projects I'm working on. So are smart lists better than regular lists? Not really. They are designed to solve different problems. Regular lists are where your reminders actually live. Smart lists are simply different ways of viewing those reminders. Think of regular lists as folders, and think of smart lists as search filters that automatically organize everything for you. The two work together. Knowing how to take advantage of both of these features can boost your productivity and change the way you use the Reminders app on your iPhone. For me, Smart Lists completely changed how I use Apple's Reminders app. Instead of spending time organizing reminders every day, I let my iPhone organize them automatically. It's one of those hidden productivity features that doesn't get talked about very often, but once you start using it, it's surprisingly difficult to go back. If you have never tried Smart Lists before, I would recommend creating just one, maybe a simple today's tasks list, and using it for 1 week. There's a good chance you will wonder how you managed without it. So this was our look at Smart Lists feature of the Reminders app. In this video, we learned what Smart Lists are, how you can create a new Smart List, and how Smart Lists can help you become more organized and boost your productivity. Smart Lists can be a game changer and make Reminders app far better than many popular third-party reminder apps out there. We will do more Reminders app tips and tutorials in the future, so if this is something that piques your interests, then be sure to hit the subscribe button. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips, hidden Apple features, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.